Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping away from the all-new EVs and diving into a legend, the Nissan N16. This car isn't just transportation, it's a testament to reliability and bulletproof engineering from the early 2000s. It was known globally as the Almera, Sunny, or Sentra. In this video, we're going to give you a full comprehensive tour, from its classic exterior to its surprisingly spacious interior, and finally, what it's like to live with this dependable machine in 2024. Let's start with the design. The N16's look is classic early 2000 sedan, simple, clean, and functional. There's no aggressive sculpting here, just straightforward, honest design. Up front, you get the signature Nissan grille of that era, paired with large, functional headlamps. The design prioritizes visibility and durability over flash. Moving to the side, the lines are uncluttered. We have good-sized alloy wheels, or steel wheels, depending on the trim. One thing that stands out is its excellent ground clearance, making it a fantastic choice for varied road conditions. Around the back, the tail light cluster is simple and wide, giving it a stable stance. This car's body panels feel solid, a real nod to the build quality of that generation. Now, let's talk about the heart of the N16 experience, the interior. Hop inside, and you'll immediately feel that built-to-last quality. The cabin architecture is purely analog and driver-focused.
The dashboard layout is simple and highly ergonomic. You get clear, easy-to-read analog dials, no complex digital screens here. We have the reliable manual AC controls and a basic but functional audio system, though most owners upgrade this today. Layout. The seating is plush and comfortable, designed for long-distance cruising. But where the N16 truly shines is in space. Move to the back seat, look at this rear seat space. For a car of this segment and era, the legroom is genuinely impressive. It easily accommodates 3 adults, making it an ideal family sedan. Finally, the boot, large, deep, and highly usable. This is one area where the N16 easily beats many modern compact sedans. While it won't break any speed records, this engine is known globally for one thing: bulletproof reliability. Proper maintenance, and these engines will simply keep running, mile after mile. Driving footage starts on the road. The N16 offers a smooth and compliant ride, thanks to its soft suspension setup. It handles city traffic with ease, and the steering is light enough for parking, yet stable on the highway. The key performance metric for N16 owners is fuel economy. Depending on the engine and driving style, you can expect decent mileage, making it very economical to run. Spec: mileage 10 to 13 km/L, city, /14 to 16 km/L, highway. Let's talk ownership. The N16's strength is its simplicity. This translates directly into low maintenance costs. Parts are generally easy to source, and any local mechanic can fix it. However, as with any older car, there are things to look out for. The suspension bushings might need replacement, and finding certain trim pieces can be tricky. But overall, it remains one of the least demanding used cars you can buy. So, what's the final verdict on the Nissan N16? The cons: dated styling compared to modern cars, the features are basic, and some feel the performance is sluggish by today's standards. If you are looking for a highly dependable, no-nonsense car that prioritizes comfort and durability over technology and speed,
exceptional
the
ride
Nissan
comfort, and
N16
great
is arguably one of the best value-for-money used sedans you can
There's
find.
lighter bills and ride bills.
Verdict: best value used sedan.
What you with that N16? Let me know if the MST and the cons by go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more detailed car reviews. We'll see you in the next one.